Today we will see chapter 8 more multiplication. Let's recall table of 3. Color every third box purple. Color here third box purple. Color every fourth box brown. Patterns in table. Let us consider the multiplication table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Put 3, 6, 9 in a group and 12, 15, 8 in another group. Observe the underlined digits in the ones place of both the groups. 2 comes before 3, 5 comes before 6, 8 comes before 9 when placed in the number strip. Let us consider the multiplication table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Observe that 4, 8, 2, 6 and 0 repeat themselves in the next group. Given above are some interesting examples of patterns in numbers. Multiplication facts. Order property of multiplication. Even if the order of the number is changed in a multiplication sum, the product remains the same. Mohit arranged 6 rows of 5x each in one tray and 5 rows of 6x in another tray. 6 rows of 5, 5 rows of 6. 6 5s are 30, 5 6s are 30. So, 6 5s are is equal to 5 6s are. Similarly, 8 5s are 40 and 5 8s are 40. 5 10s are 50 and 10 5s are 50. It is observed that on changing the order of the numbers, the product remains unchanged. This is called the order property of multiplication. Zero property of multiplication. If 0 is multiplied by a number or a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. 0 into 4 is 0. 7 into 0 is 0. Practice coach. Fill the blanks and boxes. 5 4s are 20, which is equal to 4 5s are 20. 6 0s are 0. 0 6s are 0. 3 9s are 27, which is equal to 9 3s are 27. 0 into 3 is 0, which is equal to 3 into 0. Match the ice cream scoop with their exact value on the ice cream bowl. 9 3s are 27, 8 2s are 16, 7 into 0 is 0, 4 10s are 40, 2 8s are 16, 10 4s are 40, 3 9s are 27, 0 7s are 7, 0. 0 into 7, 0. Match the multiplication sentences and the products given on the caps by coloring them alike. You can match here. Multiplication without regrouping. 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Multiply 13 by 3. 13 into 3. Multiply the ones. 3 ones into 3, which is 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones column. Second step, multiply the tens. 1 10 into 3, which is equal to 3 tens. Write 3 in the tens column. Thus, 13 into 3, which is equal to 39. 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Multiply 124 by 2. 124 into 2. Find the product of smallest 3-digit number and 0. Multiply the ones. 4 ones into 2, which is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Multiply the tens. 2 tens into 2, which is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens column. Multiply the hundreds. 100 into 2, which is equal to 200. Write 2 in the hundreds column. Thus, 124 into 2, which is equal to 248. Next comes the practice coach. Find the product. 24 into 2, 32 into 3, 27 into 1, 54 into 0, 11 into 7, 12 into 4, 31 into 3, 42 into 2. Find the product. 122 into 3, 144 into 2, 101 into 5, 133 into 2, 132 into 3, 175 into 1. Here is the activity. Next comes multiplication with regrouping. 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Regrouping once. Multiply 16 by 4. Multiply the ones. 6 fours are 24. Ones, 2 tens plus 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones column and carry over 2 in the tens column. Multiply the tens. 1 into 4, which is equal to 4 tens. Add 4 tens and 2 tens, which is 4 plus 2 carry over, which is equal to 6 tens. The 16 into 4 is 64. Regrouping tens. Multiply 42 by 4. Multiply the ones. 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 ones. Multiply the tens. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 tens, which is equal to 106 tens. Carry over 100 to hundreds column. Thus 42 into 4 is 168. Regrouping ones and tens. Multiply 74 by 3. Multiply the ones. 4 into 3, which is equal to 12 ones. 12 ones, which is equal to 1 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones column and carry over 1 tens to the tens column. Multiply the tens. 3 into 7, which is equal to 21 tens. 21 tens plus 1 10 carry over, which is equal to 22 tens, which is equal to 2 hundreds plus 2 tens. Write 2 in the tens column. Carry over 2 hundreds to the hundreds column. Thus 74 into 3 is equal to 222. Next comes the practice coach. Multiply 12 into 6, 12 into 9, 15 into 3, 15 into 5, 23 into 4, 24 into 4, 24 into 3, 26 into 6, 64 into 2, 76 into 2, 74 into 3, 79 into 4, 84 into 2, 66 into 3, 78 into 5, 88 into 3. Fun with maths. Secret code. This is the activity. Use the secret code to find the message. Write M for 7 into 4, I for 5 into 2 and so on in the empty boxes given below. So 7 into 4, 8 into 4, 3 into 5, 8 into 3, 5 into 2, 6 into 9, 5 into 3, 1 into 1. 4 into 7, 10 into 4, 7 into 2, 1 into 1, 2 into 6, 5 into 9, 1 into 1. 15 into 3, 4 into 8, 4 into 7, 2 into 7, 10 into 4, 5 into 5. 6 into 2, 5 into 9, 40 into 0, 12 into 3, 10 into 1, 15 into 3. Here you need to write the secret code here. Whatever the answer we get. If it is 7 into 4, you need to write it as M. 8 into 4, if the secret code is U, you need to choose from here and write. Multiplication by 10. When a number is multiplied by 10, we add 1 zeros after the number to its right. 6 into 10, 60. 19 into 10 is 190. 12 into 10 is 120. Try this. 10 into 10, 14 into 10, 16 into 10, 15 into 10. By 100, when a number is multiplied by 100, we add 2 zeros after the numbers to its right. 2 into 100, 200, 6 into 100, 600, 9 into 100, 900. Try this. 4 into 100, 7 into 100, 3 into 100, 8 into 100. Word problem. A box has 15 lollipops and there are 4 such boxes. How many lollipops are there in all? Number of lollipops in one box, which is 15. Number of boxes, which is 4. Total number of lollipops, you need to multiply it 15 into 4, which is equal to 60. Thus, there are 60 lollipops in all. Next comes the practice coach. Aditya and Saima went in search of blueberries. They found 6 rows with 48 blueberries in each row. How many blueberries did both of them find in all? You need to multiply 48 into 6. Ida the witch sent Aditya and Saima to the 4 corners of the jungle to get 26 stones from each corner. How many stones did they collect in all? 26 into 4. The cottage top had 132 candies, chocolates and lollipops. Ida the witch multiplied these by 3. How many of these were there in all then? 132 into 3. Tabby, Ida's cat, hunted mice. There were 51 mice on each tree. How many mice were there on 8 trees? 51 into 8. On her birthday, Kyra went to distribute clothes to orphans. She wants to give 5 pairs of clothes to each child. She finds that there are 54 children in the orphanage. How many pairs of clothes does she need to buy? You need to multiply 54 into 5. Next comes the activity. Webby numbers. Complete the wheel by filling in the missing numbers. Also color the numbers as per the given instruction. Observe the wheel after completion. It will help you in learning multiplication table easily. Here you need to complete the wheel by multiplication. Next comes the revision station. Complete the multiplication fact. 4 into 1, 4 into 10, 4 into 100. Find the product. 14 into 6, 26 into 4, 234 into 2, 214 into 4. Calculate and fill in the blanks. 4 8s, 5 7, 5 7s, 6 3s, 2 times 10, 4 times 5, 10 times 3. Here match the following with the product given. Next comes the word problem. In a school auditorium, 25 children can sit in a row. If there are 8 rows, how many children can sit in an auditorium? Rishabh and his friends collected 43 stamps, each in red, blue and yellow colors. How many stamps did they collect in all? Next comes the worksheet. Magic with 9. Fill in the blanks and write the corresponding letter in the adjacent boxes. One has been done for you. 9 5s are 45. Like this you need to fill and write the number. Match each balloon to the correct multiplication statement. You need to match. So this completes chapter 8.